What's up, guys? This is Tony Sayers here, and today I'm going to be giving you 3 tips, ideas that you can use to make your videos more appealing, more of how you see other content creators just kind of edit their videos and make them crisp, a little bit more fluid-like, more organic. So the first one would be perception. Now, I don't know if that's the best word to use. However, in my opinion, that's the angle I'm coming from. For example, the iPhone that I'm using in this video is the external microphone that I'm using for the camera. So what you guys can do, basically strip the audio from this, place it with the video, time it together, and that's just another way to make your videos audio slightly more professional. If you don't have the means to go and get the mixers and the microphones, all the necessary equipment that you need. However, if you do happen to own iPad, or you have an old cell phone, or you do have a camera, and this is just another good way for you to be more captivating with your videos. Another thing you can do is involve yourself more and to give more of a visual aspect of it. Like before I made this video, I wanted to go get donuts. Recorded myself driving and getting ready to basically go and get donuts and kolaches. That's another example. Just being more involved with your videos. The last idea, no pause method. All that means is clipping from the spots where you have small pauses. So basically clipping those down to where it doesn't skip a beat, in tune, and it just sounds more fluid. That'll just make your videos look a little bit better from sitting and dragging out, which you can unfortunately lose whomever's attention. Again, those are my 3 ideas and things that I'm gradually working on, striving to display. It's real simple. So again, I hope this helped y'all out. Peace.